In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Discord update failed loop in Windows 10 and Windows 11. If you've ever tried to open Discord and it just keeps saying update failed over and over, you're not alone. This happens when the app can't properly download or install its latest update and it gets stuck in a loop. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through a clean, simple way to fix it so Discord can start normally again. First, make sure Discord is completely closed. Look at your taskbar near the clock and check the system tray for the Discord icon. If you see it, right-click it and choose to quit or exit. To be extra sure, you can also press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape together to open Task Manager. Go to the Processes tab and end any Discord processes you still see running. Next, we'll remove the broken update files that are causing the loop. Open File Explorer, and in the address bar at the top, type %local app data% and press Enter. This will take you to your local app data folder. In here, find the folder named Discord, open it, and look for a folder called Update, or any files related to the updater. Go ahead and delete the update folder and any update-specific files. Don't worry, this won't delete your account or your servers. It just clears the corrupted update data. Once that's done, go back one level and delete the entire Discord folder inside local app data. Again, this only removes local program files, not your actual Discord account or messages. If you want to be thorough, you can also go to the %app data% folder. Find the Discord folder there and delete it as well. This helps get rid of leftover cache that might be interfering with the update. Now that we've cleaned things up, it's time to reinstall Discord with a fresh copy. Open your web browser and go to the official Discord website. Download the Windows installer from there, making sure you're not using any third-party download sites. When the installer finishes downloading, run it as an administrator by right-clicking on it and choosing Run as Administrator. This gives the installer the permissions it needs to update and place files correctly. Let the installer complete. If everything went well, Discord should now launch normally without getting stuck on the update screen. Log back into your account if prompted, and you should be good to go. That's how you fix the Discord update failed loop on Windows 10 and 11.